DJM TV.
Correct country people, I salute una. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when you visit the time be now. On top una location una take the look also for we week to week recap on top with Ogbonge TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me still dey gidigba today to take knack una. The tori wey be say we knack una for inside the week wey just run comot so. Yes o, inside this week wey just run comot so, we knack una say the British High Commissioner for Naija yarn say Naija go be the spotlight when people go put touch take look when 2023 election reach on top Naija. So make we listen the way we take that and give una, they will come back on it comments when we say una when they are one viewers now give us, then we go see Chukma put. Make we listen.
The British government has said Nigeria will be on the world spotlight during the 2023 general elections as concerted efforts must be made to improve the country's democracy. This was disclosed today by the British High Commissioner to Nigeria, Katrina Laing, after a closed-door meeting with the Rivers State Governor, Governor Nyesom Wike, at the Rivers State Government House in Port Harcourt. Speaking to newsmen after the meeting, Ms. Katrina said in her words, the importance of these elections, however crucial they are, not just for Nigeria's democracy's journey, but for Africa and the world. The world spotlight will be on Nigeria in 2023. It needs to be a better election, not perfect, but better to consolidate and improve Nigeria's democracy. And I think the governor very much agree with me on that.
Yes, all country people, we don't see am. So make we read the comment. Let me say, una knack give us. Yes, the first person when the knack comment give us based on this story when the say we knack give una for inside the week when run comot so come be country brother Uzoma Umachukwu. What did he write? He say, I think the zoo country get commissioner for Britain, and when we say go come they tell Naija how they go fit they do their government. Say e suppose maybe the opposite. Why Naija no go get commissioner for that side when we say go dey tell Britain wetin dem go do? But one word when he use, he say zoo. Now make we look this comment when this country brother yarn so. Now, why this is what people dey call Naija zoo? E mean say people when they come dey Naija na dem be animals? Na question. Abeg, Naija no be zoo. No matter how the country dey now, make we no dey call am zoo. Remember say wetin you use your mouth talk na dey happen. If you continue dey call Naija zoo, meaning Naija go become zoo. Everybody wey dey inside go be animals because na animals dem dey see for inside zoo. So Naija no go be better at all. So country brother Uzoma, I beg you, next time no use the word zoo. So hope e matter well well. So if you get hope for country, you go always get better comot from the country. No mind wetin dey happen now. There is hope. There is hope. There is hope. It take 40 years for the Israelites to fall inside wilderness, but at the end of the day, they waka and comot. And when they waka and comot, wetin come happen? They come begin dey enjoy. Na so e be. So nothing comes easy. You must struggle am. Yes, so the next comment go concern country brother Ola Timothy. Wetin he talk? He say all this one are dey to make sure say they keep Naija together by force. And he come talk say he no accept the thing based on say na complete nonsense. Yes, thank you my brother Ola Timothy. Thank God say you use the word nonsense. Inside nonsense, you see sense dey inside. Mr. Ola Timothy, inside nonsense, you see sense dey inside. So when you remove the non, you go see sense. So make we try make we remove the non, make we use the sense. So whether or whether not, God don make Naija one and we go continue to be one. So but that one no mean say when some people feel say wetin dem suppose to get for inside one place, for instance like Naija now, they no dey get am. That no mean say dem no go fit cry come and say no. Dem fit even sit down say yes, we wan cut comot, yes, to make sure say that what dem dey fight for, dem go get am. So na correct something be that. But at the end of the day, Naija no go divide. Naija must unite and Naija must move to the permanent side. So na that one be the sense when they say the nonsense when country brother Ola Timothy write. So on top of that, we say thank you Ola Timothy. Now for the second, another comment let me say our sister when the evidence Chukwudi and ya say wetin he talk, he said there is no more trust. There is no more trust. No more trust. But they come see they say all a Biafra. Whether Biafra, whether Oduduwa, whether Arewa, whether Niger Delta, whether Middle Belt, all na still Naija. So the main thing what we see when our sister talk here, let me say there is no more trust. Yes, and why this trust no dey again? Na our leaders and na im dey. So leaders, wherever una dey, whether you be president, you be governor, you be senator, you be honorable member, you be councillor, you be chairman, try to dey build trust. And how we go take build this trust? You no fit talk like this, dey do like that. Na there the wahala dey pass from. So na so e be. So trust dey very very important for anything for life. Na trust when God get for Abraham, na make am e turn am to a friend. So na so e be. So na so e be. Now me wan chook mouth put concerning this matter. So Britain say Naija 2023 election say they go put spotlight, meaning they go carry torchlight take look away. Na correct thing. Na correct thing. But one thing wey me no dey like, be say when countries like this they don talk say na so they wan do am, when the time go reach, the person they know say this person so e no go fit leave the country, they go support am. Na that one me no like for inside. But na better thing if they say they go put torchlight to make sure say if they go do the correct thing, to make sure say the right person when e be say Naija people really want to be their leaders for that time, they really get am. Because na that one na be the first thing. If wetin me person wey me want, when me believe say yes, this person na go fit rule to make things dey better, and I go vote for am, the other man vote for am, and they really get am, e go do well. No be say person wey be say we know say yes, e no go fit do something, sake of say we get one interest wey we wan protect, we come dey say. So Britain, as una don talk am so, we hope say no be just mouth una use am make. When that time reach, una go do the right thing. And we also call on the other countries too. When this, because we know when that time reach now, all the countries will come and say yes, they get interest, they get this one, they get that one. Make una put eye away and make sure say the person when Nigerians really vote for, na go come out at the end of the day. And when that will happen, you go see all this kind of matters when they happen everywhere. Insecurity, things they hire for market, everybody they complain. You see, no go dey again. So that's so it be. So country people, now there our week to week recap for this week for Taraba. One time una on top the time we say on top the book since, and one beg una say yes, make una continue. They give us una views anytime we knock our videos come out and una see am. And again, we want to see this particular one, so make una still like, make una still share am, and make una still comment good. Say cause say that the comments dey very very important to us to know how una dey feel concerning our news videos. Once you make una still follow us for all our social media platforms, for Facebook, for YouTube, and for the oga of them all, when be www.djmtv.news. There, na 24/7 news dey enter there, and you go get am anytime you dey with us for there. Until next week, we go still come my way again with another week to week recap plus analysis. My name na still Stanley Okocha, una country brother. I salute now.
DJM TV.